Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to set up your LG 43UA TV. So first of all, press the central D-pad key on your TV to go further, and after that select the language from the list. So depending on which type of remote control you're using, you have to either use the up and down arrow keys to navigate and the central D-pad key to select, or just use your mouse pointer to select the language that you need and then navigate to the next option. After that, select the country. Now, but before we select a country, I just want to mention that it will be much easier to set up your TV with your smartphone, and I highly recommend doing that. So no matter which type of smartphone you're using, it can be either, it can also be a tablet, it can be an Android device, it can be an Apple device. So anyways, all you have to do is open the App Store or the Play Store on Android. In the Play Store, you're gonna have to select, you're gonna have to find the LG ThinQ application. And let the camera focus. Okay, so find the LG ThinQ application, then select open this page, download and install it. And once it's installed, what you're gonna have to do next is select the country that you have selected on your smartphone. So make sure that your smartphone and your TV have the same region selected. So for example, in my case, it's Poland, and tap next. And after that, you're gonna have to, if you want to set up, or if you need to set up accessibility settings right now, then select the first option, so the option on the left, and the set up later option will let you set up accessibility settings later in settings menu. So let's go with the second option, unless you need to set up accessibility settings right now. Then select setup with your mobile device, so the option on the left, and then select next to confirm. And after that, you're gonna have to scan the QR code that you see on your screen using your smartphone's camera. Then tap on the link you see on your iPhone screen. This will open the LG ThinQ app. Tap turned on, then tap done, and then you're gonna have to provide the code that you see on your TV screen. On your smartphone. Tap done. Then your TV will start connecting to your smartphone, and after that, provide a password to the Wi-Fi network. If you want to change the Wi-Fi network, and tap right here and select the different Wi-Fi network. So let me quickly enter the password to my Wi-Fi on my smartphone. That's basically the reason why we are using smartphone, because connecting to your Wi-Fi using smartphone is much easier than using your remote control. Besides, you will also be able to sign into your LG Q account easier. On your smartphone, you can also use the Google account or the Apple account to sign in, which is more convenient than using your remote control to enter your credentials manually, especially if you need to create a new account. So once you're ready, tap next, and then accept terms and conditions. And if you want to, you can also accept all the other choices or other agreements, but they are not required. So we can just agree. Tap agree, or if you want to select everything, just select the first option on the list and tap agree. Then you can read user agreements by tapping read now. Otherwise, just tap later, then select sign in, then select OK, then select TV only, then select OK. And after that, let's continue on the TV. So right now we're going to have to select the installation type. So either stand if your device is standing. If it's mounted, select wall mounted, then press OK to confirm. And if you want to enable the screensaver, switch the toggle to the right, tap oh yes. You can also preview your screensaver. And Let's tap next. Now, if you want to enable automatic update, just leave this toggle switch to the right, otherwise switch it to the left, and then tap next. And we are almost here. Now, if you want to tune programs for your TV, then select the TV connection type that you're using, and then tap next. I'm not using any of these, so I'm just gonna select exit. And after that, let's wait for a couple more seconds. And I think we're pretty much done here. Okay, once again, we're gonna have to sign into LG account. I'm not sure why it didn't sign in before, but let's select LG ThinQ app, sign in, and let's scan the QR code we see on the screen once again. And for some reason, it's not signing in, so let's tap the gear icon in the top right corner of the screen, and then select sign into your TV with your account, and tap yes, sign in. Okay, and for some reason it was unable to sign in, so let me just restart my smartphone once. Okay, so after I restarted my smartphone, everything worked just fine. And right now we're gonna have to continue and basically finish on our TV. So this screen means that we are almost done. Now you can also select the additional applications for your TV if you want to download and install them right now, like Amazon Alexa, Prime Video, Google Cast, and tap done when you're done, and you are now transferred to your home screen. So that's basically it. Your TV is fully set up. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to enable eye comfort mode on LG Smart TV. To enable the eye comfort mode or the blue light filter on your TV, from the home screen, you're gonna have to navigate to the gear icon on the sidebar to open Quick Settings menu. In here, navigate to Eye Care Mode, dial, and press OK to change the value to on. Once you see on right here, that means that the Eye Care Mode is enabled. To disable it, just press OK once again to switch this feature off. And that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to turn off the energy saving mode on your LG TV. First of all, hold down the gear button on your remote control to open all settings menu, or just navigate to the gear icon on your home screen and then select the gear icon once again in the quick settings menu. Then navigate down to the general section, and in general, you're gonna have to navigate to the very bottom of this list until you find energy saving feature. And here you can select the energy saving tab. And if you want to disable it, just select off, and this way you will disable your energy saver on your TV. And so that's basically how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to enable AI sound on LG Smart TV. From the home screen of your device, navigate to the gear icon on the sidebar to open Quick Settings menu. In this menu, you're gonna have to navigate to the Sound Mode tile, press OK or the middle D-pad key to select Sound Mode option, and using left and right arrow keys, navigate to AI Sound Pro. Once you select this option, the AI sound will be enabled. And that's it. Now you can leave this menu by simply pressing the home button on your remote control. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to enable screensaver on your LG TV. First of all, press the gear button on your remote control to open the quick settings menu, or navigate to the gear icon on your home screen to do the same thing. After that, select the gear icon in the quick settings menu to open all settings, and then navigate to general. Now from general, go to always ready option, and always ready option is basically your TV's screensaver. So make sure that enable this function switched to the right, and if you want to use your screensaver without wallpaper, check this circle, and now your screensaver is enabled. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video I will show you how to turn on Filmmaker Mode on LG Smart TV. From the home screen of your TV, navigate to the gear icon on the sidebar to open Quick Settings menu. Then navigate to Picture Mode tile and select it. And here, select the Filmmaker option. Here it is. And after you select it, this mode will be applied to your TV. You can also change it by going to Advanced Settings. By change, I mean customize it. Now in Advanced Settings, you can change the brightness, color, and clarity of your picture, or reset these settings for this mode by selecting this button. You can also enable or disable Filmmaker Mode Auto Start feature by switching this toggle to the right. And so that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video I will show you how to enable game mode on LG Smart TV. So basically you don't even have to enable the game mode on your TV, as it will turn on automatically when you switch the input to your gaming console. So just make sure that your gaming console is enabled and properly connected to your TV. Press the input button on your remote control, and then select your HDMI input. After that, you just have to press the settings button, and this way you will see that the game mode is already enabled by seeing this customized settings menu on your screen, where you can adjust many different settings. You can basically customize your game mode to specific game genres, but if you disable this mode accidentally maybe, or for some other purpose, you can re-enable it by going to Settings, then General, and then go to Game Optimizer, and just switch it on by switching this toggle to the right. And now the game mode will be enabled on your TV. And so that's how we do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video I will show you how to enable auto low latency mode on your LG Smart TV. To enable this mode, you're gonna have to be switched to your gaming console. So turn your gaming console on, make sure that it's connected with your TV via the HDMI cable, then press the input button on your remote control. It looks like a button with the cable icon on it to switch to your gaming console. Then select your HDMI to which your gaming console is connected to switch to your console, and after that you're gonna have to press the gear button on your remote control to open settings menu. This will open the specific for gaming consoles settings. Here you're gonna have to navigate to Game Optimizer and enable the Game Optimizer by switching the toggle to the right next to the Game Optimizer feature. And then no matter which game genre you have selected, in order to enable auto low latency mode or to disable it as it's enabled by default, you're gonna have to navigate down to the ALLM feature and then switch it either off or on by pressing OK button on your remote control next to it. And so that's basically how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to turn off motion smoothing on your LG Smart TV. To disable motion smoothing effect, you're gonna have to either start playing some media or switch to an external device. And after that, in order to disable this feature, you're gonna have to press the gear button on your remote control to open Quick Settings menu. Then from the Quick Settings menu, navigate to the gear icon once again, then select OK to open All Settings menu. And then you're gonna have to open Picture tab and select a mode for which you want to disable picture smoothing and the one that you want to use while watching the current media or using the current output. And if you have the Game Optimizer enabled, for example, you won't be able to disable motion smoothing, but it will be disabled by default. And otherwise, you just have to select any other mode and then go to Advanced Settings. Now in Advanced Settings, navigate to Clarity and then navigate to the very bottom of these settings until you find True Motion effect. Select it and here select Off to turn True Motion off. And so that's basically it. Now you can play your media or use your HDMI device without motion smoothing. And so that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to disable AI services on LG TV. To do that, you're gonna have to hold down the gear button on your remote control to open All Settings menu, or you can navigate to the gear icon on your home screen to open Quick Settings, then select gear icon once again to open All Settings menu. Now here, you're gonna have to navigate to the General section, and in General section, you will find AI Service. Now in AI Service, you will find many different services like AI Sound Pro, AI Acoustic Tuning. On some models, you can also find AI Picture Pro, and check which ones are turned on, and if some of them are turned on but you don't need them, then just switch the toggle to the left next to them, if possible. Let me return to this menu. Okay, voice recognition settings. So here we can disable this feature by switching this toggle to the left, as well as voice response and voice ID. Voice ID is something we can disable, which will be disabled automatically after we disable AI voice services. And now let's go back to General, let's go to AI Service, and let's check the AI recommendation. I think which is the most which is something that we would like to remove the most. So for example, Smart Tips and Settings. If you want to disable them, switch the toggle to the left next to Smart Tips or Smart Tips and Settings. And that's how you disable AI services on your TV. Thank you for watching this video. If you like it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to enable eARC on your LG Smart TV. So first of all, detect the eARC HDMI port. It's usually the HDMI 2, if not all of them. So if your LG TV does not support eARC on every port, then the HDMI port that supports eARC feature should be labeled with either ARC or eARC. And in order to enable this feature, first connect your sound bar or AV device to the respective HDMI port or just to an HDMI port. And once you do that, you're going to have to power on both devices and switch the TV input if needed. And after that, we're going to have to make sure that the HDMI CEC is enabled in settings, which you can do by selecting the gear icon on your sidebar or by just pressing the gear button on your remote control. Then select the gear icon in the quick settings menu. And after that, go to General menu. In General, select External Devices. Then select HDMI Settings. And in HDMI Settings, switch on HDMI CEC feature by switching this toggle to the right. After that, we're going to have to enable eARC in settings if it didn't happen automatically. So go back to all settings, select sound. Then in sound, we're going to have to navigate to sound out and then select use wired speaker and then select HDMI ARC device. And right now you are your sound is being transmitted through that speaker that supports ARC. And so that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. In this video, I will show you how to enable Dolby Atmos on your LG TV. So first of all, I just quickly want to mention that not all LG TVs support Dolby Atmos feature. For example, my particular device doesn't. And if you want to know for sure, just check your device's specifications on the official LG website. And if it does support Dolby Atmos, just hold down the gear button on your remote control to open all settings menu. And in all settings menu, go to sound. And if your TV uses the newer version of webOS, so 23 or 24 webOS version, go to advanced settings, and after that find the Dolby Atmos feature in here somewhere on the list. And once you find it here, select it and then toggle it on, and this way you will enable the Dolby Atmos feature and it will be automatically enabled for supported media or external devices. For older versions, you'll be able to find the Dolby Atmos feature in sound section, and you can enable it in the very same way. Now, if your TV does support this feature, but you cannot find it here, let's update the software of our device by going to Support tab and select Software Update. Then in Software Update, select Check for Updates and let your TV find any updates available for your TV. So download and install an update. Once the updates are installed, to apply them, you're going to have to restart your TV. But before we do that, let's also navigate to the very bottom of this list, go to Privacy and Terms, User Agreements, and make sure that you have given all the agreements to LG, either by pressing Select All option at the bottom of your screen or by manually checking the circles you see right here. And once you have given all the agreements, select Agree. And after that, restart your TV by short pressing the power button, wait until your TV fully shuts down, then unplug it from the power source and plug it back in, turn it on, and and then check if the Dolby Atmos feature appeared in your settings menu. And so that's basically it. Thanks for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to get rid of ads as much as we can on LG Smart TV. First of all, let's open Settings by holding down the gear button on the remote control. This will open all settings on our TV. In All Settings menu, navigate to General, open the General tab, and navigate to System. Now in System, first of all, let's change the location for LG Services. So let's go to Location, then LG Services Country, and then disable Automatic Set. Navigate to the very bottom of this list where you can find Others. Then select Yes and let your TV restart. And by setting your location to Others for LG Services, you will receive less ads on your TV. And let's just wait until the TV restarts. Okay, right now let's select Settings once again, or let's right away let's open All Settings menu by holding down the gear button on the remote control, and after that let's go back to General section, and from General section let's go back to the System. Now in System we're gonna have to open additional settings, and now I'm gonna show you how to get rid of the ads on the home screen. So go to Home Settings, in Additional Settings, then disable Content Recommendations and Content Ads by switching these toggles to the left. Since I just changed the region, I don't have this second ads feature here, so there are no ads for other region. And after that, go back to Additional Settings and check if you have an advertisement or ads menu right here. If you have it, then go there and enable limit tracking and reset your ad ID. If you don't have it here, then go back to all settings, then go to Support, then in Support navigate to Privacy and Terms, then go to Advertisement, and then here select Reset Ad ID, and then make sure to enable limiting ad tracking. And this is the most that we can do for disabling ads on our TV. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to enable AI Picture Pro on LG Smart TV. First of all, I just want to mention that this feature is not available on every LG Smart TV. For example, on mine, it's not available, unfortunately, though I will still show you how to find it. But before we do that, let's just check if the TV is fully up to date. So check it on your TV by selecting the gear icon on your home screen, then select gear icon once again to open All Settings menu. After that, navigate to the Support section, go to Software Update, check for updates, and if your TV finds any, then let it download and install them. Once they are installed, you will be notified, and after that you're going to have to restart your TV by turning it off by pressing the power button and then unplugging it from the power source for about a minute, and then plugging it back in and turning it on. And after that, also make sure that you have given all the agreements in privacy in terms. Privacy in terms are located back in Support menu at the very bottom of the list, and here you will find user agreements. Just make sure that you give all the agreements in here, then tap agree. And then you can also restart your TV and then go back to the settings. And now the first way to access your AI Picture Pro is by going to General, selecting AI Service, and if your TV supports AI Picture Pro, you will find this feature right here. In my case, I only have the AI Sound Pro, so no picture enhancing on my TV. But if you cannot find it here, you can also if your TV uses webOS 5.0 or 4.5, you can go to the picture settings instead, and then check if you have maybe the AI Picture Mode Pro in the available modes, or if you don't, then go back and then go to Advanced Settings, and here find the AI Picture Pro. Now if you don't see it anywhere here, then you can still use the AI picture enhancement features by going to Personalized Picture Wizard, where you will be able to select one of the photos from the set of photos that you will be presented. Do it a couple more times, and then the system will adjust your picture quality using AI. It's not quite AI Picture Pro, but it will also enhance your picture quality, and it will improve your general viewing experience. So that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to enable Echo Mode on your LG TV. So first of all, this mode is not available for all TVs, but just to make sure that it is available on yours, even if you cannot see it right now, let's update the software to the latest version. So open the settings by either selecting the gear icon on your home screen and then selecting gear icon once again to open all settings, or just hold down the settings button on your remote control. After that, navigate to General section. Then in General, you're gonna have to find to see the Echo Mode feature, but if you don't see it, then either your TV works on a different webOS version, or your software is outdated. If your software is outdated, let's go to Support, then select Software Update, then select Check for Updates, and see if your TV finds any. So if it doesn't find any updates, then there is probably no Echo Mode on your TV, and if it finds any, then wait for your TV to download and install them, then restart it by holding down the power button for a couple of seconds to turn it off, and then unplug your TV from the power source for about a minute, and after a minute plug it in once again, and then turn on your TV and check if the Echo Mode appeared in your settings menu. You can also go to the very bottom of the support menu, go to Privacy and Terms, go to User Agreements, and make sure that you have given all the agreements to your TV. So if you didn't, then check the circles next to all of these options, then select Agree. And after that, let's once again check if we have any updates. And just to make sure, let's restart the TV. Okay, and so in case the Echo Mode didn't appear on your list, in your general settings, that simply means that your TV isn't supporting this kind of feature, but you can still go to the energy saving, which is the last option in this menu, and here enable the energy saver by selecting the energy saver tab, which will change the sensitivity of your ambient light sensor in order to adjust your TV screen brightness. So you can either select medium, medium or maximum. But if it dims your screen too much, then either turn it off or select the lower lower settings. And besides, you can also enable eye saver mode by accessing the quick settings menu and finding eye care mode here. Just tap on this dial and this will switch it on. So that's basically all we can do. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to enable HDR on your LG Smart TV. So basically, there is no need in manually enabling HDR mode on your TV, since the TV will automatically detect and enable HDR when compatible content plays through an HDR compatible HDMI source, which means that if your external device supports HDMI picture quality and your HDMI cable can also supports transmission of this kind of picture quality, then your TV will automatically enable HDR. So for example, right now I have the PlayStation 5 connected to my TV, and the PlayStation 5 supports HDR images. Therefore, if I switch to it by pressing the input button on my remote control and selecting my HDMI port to which the PlayStation is connected to, I will see the HDR icon in the top right corner of my TV screen. But we can disable HDR manually on our TV, and to do so, just press the gear button on your remote control to open quick settings menu. In gaming consoles, quick settings menu look this way. Let's go to all settings by selecting the gear icon once again. And now in all settings, select general. Then navigate to the external devices menu. Now in external devices, select HDMI settings. Then select HDMI Deep Color and then select off. Now in my case, it will also disable the game optimizer, as game optimizer also automatically enables HDR mode on my TV. So right now this console is displaying content in regular mode without HDR, but if I switch to it once again, the TV will tell me to re-enable HDR mode, most probably. Oh, right now it's not happening, but usually it does. So yeah, so that's how we can disable HDR. And to re-enable it, we can do this either by going to the same menu in settings and enabling our deep color in general, external devices, and then HDMI settings, deep color. Here we can enable 4K, or we can just if it's the gaming console that you want to enable or disable the HDR content for, and it would be better if we just go to general, then select game optimizer and then turn the game optimizer on, as it will enable the HDR and all the other optimization features. And as you can see, the HDR is back again enabled. So that's how you do it on your LG TV. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to calibrate colors on LG Smart TV. To calibrate colors manually, you're gonna have to press the gear button on your remote control to open quick settings menu, then navigate to the gear icon and select OK, or press OK button on your remote control, then go to Picture tab, and then go to Advanced Settings, Then select color, and in color settings you'll be able to manually adjust color by changing the color depth. To do that, select this option and move the slider you see on the screen either to the top or to the bottom using up and down arrow keys on your remote control. Once you leave this menu, the changes will be applied to your currently selected picture mode. You can also change the tints level. You can change the color gamut. You can also adjust the fine-tune option or feature rather. And you can also manually change the white balance. And if you want to adjust color in an easier way, you can go back to picture settings and run personalized picture wizard. Now, once you open it, you'll be presented with a bunch of different pictures, and you're just gonna have to choose the one that looks the best for you. And this way the colors will be adjusted to your preferences. So just select this option, then select start, then wait until the images are generated. And now select the image that looks best for you. So navigate through the images using your D-pad, and using the middle D-pad key, select the image that looks the best for you. Then press next, then wait for the next set of pictures, and once again select the picture that looks best for you. Then select next once again, and do this, go through this process several more times. Don't leave this process in the middle, because you're gonna have to do it one more time. Then okay, so we're halfway there. Let me just select the image several more times. Okay, I think this one looks best for me. So 3 more left. This one is surely not. Okay. Now let's finish the process and then select apply. And right now the colors are calibrated. Let's check the video once again. Okay, and so right now the picture settings are changed, the color settings are changed to my own preferences, and so that's how easy and quick you can do it on your LG TV. So thank you so much for watching this video, and if you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. In this video, I will share some common solution to fix no sound issue on your LG Smart TV. So let's start with the basics. Try to increase your volume level using the physical buttons on your remote control. There are 2 dedicated buttons to increase or decrease your volume level. There is also a mute button, but basically if you mute your volume and then increase it, it will return to normal. So after that, if this doesn't help you, let's check the sound mode and the sound output. So to do that, on your home screen, navigate to the gear icon to open quick settings menu, and here you can find both sound mode. Try changing it to a different sound mode and see if this fixes the issue. Also, most importantly, change this sound out to TV speaker, then select close, and also you can go to the all settings menu, and you should do that. Then go to sound and then select advanced settings, then select reset here, then select yes, and this way you will reset all the sound settings. After that, check if this helped you in solving your issue. Okay, if this didn't, let's power cycle our TV by short pressing the power button. Wait until the TV fully shuts down, and after that, let's unplug it from the power source for about a minute, and then just wait. Power your TV back on and check if this helps you solving the issue. And if it didn't, let's check for any available software updates. Make sure that your device is connected to the internet. Hold down the settings button on your remote control to open all settings menu, and then navigate to, let's wait. Navigate to support section, and in support section you will find software update. Select check for updates, and if your TV finds any updates, let it download and install them. And once it downloads and installs an update, power cycle your TV once again to make sure that all the changes applied. And after that, your sound problem should be fixed. But as a last resort, you can perform a factory reset operation and reset all settings and basically everything on your device. So if you have some important files on it, then back them up to your pen drive, or to your USB flash drive, for example, and after that, after you back up your important files, let's perform a factory reset operation by going to System, and then in System, in general, then System, you have to select Reset to Initial Settings, then select Reset All, and if prompted, enter your device's password. And so that's how you do it. And after your TV is fully reset, your sound should definitely go back to normal. And if it didn't, then in such case, this is most probably the hardware problem. And in this case, I highly recommend reaching out to LG customer support service and telling them about your issue, and most probably send your TV to them for repair. And so that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to fix YouTube application on your LG TV. So if your YouTube application doesn't start or doesn't want to play videos right, then the first thing that you're gonna have to do is check your network connection. You can do this by navigating to the gear section and selecting the Wi-Fi icon in the top right corner of the screen, of this sidebar, not the screen. And after that, check if you are connected to either using the LAN cable or Wi-Fi. So see if you are properly connected to the internet, and also try opening some other applications like, for example, Netflix, and see if they are streaming right. You can also check the streaming quality on your laptop and your smartphone that are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. And if YouTube is the only app that is not working right for you, then the first thing that you're gonna have to do is restart the TV for 60 seconds. To do that, turn off your TV by pressing the power button, and then unplug it from the power source and wait for about a minute, and then plug in the TV back into the outlet. After your TV is restarted, try checking the YouTube application once again, and if it's still not working for you, in such case, let's reinstall this application by holding down the central D-pad key on it on the home screen, and then select the trash bin icon at the top of this application using either up arrow key or your mouse pointer, and select OK. Select delete, and this will delete the YouTube application from your TV. After that, let's reinstall this application by going back to the apps menu and finding the YouTube application here. So let's search for YouTube. Okay, and right now let's reinstall this application and check if it's working right for you. But if it's still not, then maybe this is a software problem. And in case it's a software problem, we're gonna have to go to settings, all settings, by selecting the gear icon once again. And after that, navigate to the support section. And in support, go to software update. Then make sure that the order update is switched to the right and check for available updates. Now, if your TV finds an update, it will automatically download and install it. And after that, you're going to have to restart it once again for the changes to be applied. If you see no updates found notification, that means that the problem is probably in the agreements that you gave to your TV. To check the agreements, back in this support section, navigate to the very bottom of it and select privacy and terms. And select user agreements, and basically what you're going to have to do is give all the agreements, give the agreements to everything that you have here. Then tap agree, and after that, try relaunching your YouTube app. You can also try to restart your TV before you do that to make sure that all the changes applied, or just wait for some short period of time. Then try launching your YouTube application once again, and basically after that it should start working. But if the issue persists, you can try factory reset your TV as a last resort. However, this will delete all the apps, all the media that you have stored in your TV's storage. Therefore, this application requires you to do a backup of all the important files you have on your TV. So back them up somewhere on your pen drive, for example, or on your USB flash drive. And then select the gear icon once again. And in order to perform the factory reset operation, you're going to have to go to the general, then navigate to the system, and in system select reset to initial settings and select reset all, and if prompted, enter your TV password. And so that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to block TV channels on LG Smart TV. Before we get to the process, first of all, I just want to let you know that you're going to have to enable the safety feature or parental controls feature, as it is sometimes called, on your TV. And to do that, you're going to have to get to know your default PIN code. And the default PIN code in most cases, including my TV, is 4 zeros, except for Belgium, France, and Norway. So if you selected one of these 3 countries as your country, then your default password will be 1234. But generally, I don't think it's the same for every TV. So just to get to know for sure, let's first check it out. Check out the user guide, which is of course on our TV. So first of all, on your home screen, select the gear icon on the sidebar, go to All Settings menu by selecting the gear icon once again, and in All Settings, let's navigate down to Support section. Now in Support, let's select User Guide. And here we're gonna find out what our default pin code is. So navigate to Settings, then in Settings, select System. It's somewhere at the bottom. Now in System, let's go to Safety. And here in Safety Information, you'll be able to find your default password in Reset Password Information, or in Reset Password paragraph. So here you can see that the default password is 4 zeros, but when France, Norway, or Belgium is selected for country, the password is 1234. So check the info for your TV and then go back to All Settings menu. So let's once again select the gear icon on the home screen, then the gear guide icon at the top bar of the Quick Settings menu, and then navigate to General option, or to General menu. And in General menu, let's navigate to System, then to Safety. And now let's enable Safety feature by switching this toggle to the right and entering our default password, which is 4 zeros in my case. After that, first of all, you'll be able to lock your channels, your programs, basically by rating. So you can basically block shows for the or by restricting the age for and the programs that have this age, that are appropriate for this age only. So for example, if you want to lock all the programs for people of age 9 and above, then select this option, and then you're gonna have to enter the PIN code to see these programs. Otherwise, select none. And now if you want to lock channels, you're gonna have to select program locks, and you'll be transferred to different sources like DTV, radio TV, for antenna, for cable, and for satellite. Here select your source, and unfortunately I don't have the source connected to my TV, but you can see that we can use the functional colorful buttons on the remote control to either lock or unlock the channel or the program. So yeah, just first select your source from the list, and then for this source select the program or the channel that you want to lock, and then press the red button in the bottom. In my case, it's located in the bottom left corner of the TV remote, and this way you will lock the program on your TV. And of course, you're most probably going to change your default password to some other one after you do that. So in order to do that, let's go back to settings, and let's basically go back to the safety settings. So in general, once again, select system, and then navigate down to safety option, and then in safety option select reset password. Now in reset password, first enter your default password, so 4 zeros, okay, and then enter your own password. I'm gonna enter 1234 and press OK. But you can enter anything you like, and then do this once again to confirm your new PIN code. And so now your child is safe from watching inappropriate programs or channels on your TV. And so that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you what to do if your Netflix application isn't responding on your LG TV. So if your Netflix app isn't working right on your TV, so if it is either won't open or simply will not stream videos, then first thing that you're gonna have to do is check out your network connection. To do that, either press the gear button on your remote control or navigate to the gear icon on the home screen to open quick settings menu. Then select the Wi-Fi icon at the top bar of this menu and check your network connection. So if you have an Ethernet cable connected to your TV, then select the first option. If you are connected with Wi-Fi, then check if your connection is stable right here. You can also try launching the other applications on your TV and also try streaming on your laptop or your smartphone or your tablet that are connected to the same Wi-Fi network, and check whether or not the internet works well on them. And if Netflix is the only troublesome application, then in such case, the first thing you're gonna have to do is restart your TV. To do so, press the power button, and then once your TV shuts down, unplug it from the power source and leave it like this for about a minute to fix all the most common glitches. Okay, so right now let's wait for a minute and then let's relaunch the TV. And once the TV is restarted, give it a minute to load and then try running the Netflix app once again. Most commonly, this fixes the issue, but if it didn't fix the issue for you, then hold the central D-pad key on the Netflix icon on the in the apps list or in the apps menu on your home screen. Then press the top arrow key if you have a D-pad on your remote control. Otherwise, just navigate to the trash bin icon using your mouse pointer. Then press OK. Then select delete, and this way you will delete Netflix from your TV. Now, once Netflix is deleted, let's reinstall it by opening the apps menu and searching for the Netflix application. So we can either try to find it here it is, or you can use the search bar to find it. Click the download icon next to it, download this application, and then try relaunching it. You can also try to restart your TV once again after you do that, but it's not required. And if the issue persists, if you still cannot watch Netflix, then navigate to settings on the sidebar of your TV, or once again press the gear button on your remote control, and let's go to all settings and let's check the software updates for our TV. So to do that, go to support section, then in support section select software update. Make sure that auto update is enabled so that your TV downloads the latest updates for itself in time, and then select check for updates. And if your TV found some updates, then let it download and install them, and after that restart it just the way that we did it a couple of minutes ago. And after that, try relaunching your Netflix application. Now, if you see no updates found notification, then you're gonna have to go back and make sure that you have given your TV all the agreements. That you can check it back in support section in privacy and terms. Go to user agreements and check if everything on the left has a checked circle next to it. If it doesn't, then check the circles next to all of these agreements and then select agree. Then you can also try relaunching your TV or just waiting for some time and then trying to launch your Netflix application once again. And this will fix all the most commonly occurring issues. But if it doesn't for you, then as a last resort, you can perform a factory reset operation of your TV. However, this will also delete all the data from your TV which will delete network data, it will delete settings, it will remove all the media files from your TV. So if some of them are important to you, then back them up using, for example, USB flash drive before you do that. And you are also going to have to set up your TV once again. But if you want to do this, open the settings once again, and then instead of support, let's go to general section or the general tab. Now in general tab, navigate to system, and then in system, select reset to initial settings, then select reset all, and then enter the password if prompted. And so that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. And in this video, I will show you how to use Art Gallery on your LG Smart TV. To start using Art Gallery, you have to open the pre-installed LG Gallery or Art Gallery or a Gallery application depending on your OS version. So it opened the LG Gallery. In my case, it's LG Gallery Plus. Most probably in yours, it should be too, unless they changed it. After that, you're going to have to select one of the categories you see on the screen. So from this dashboard, let's select the LG Gallery Plus free content, and we will be presented with various artworks. Select the one that you like, or select some of them that you like, and you will see. You will also see the total size of all of the items that you selected right here. So once you selected all that you like, select play to see what they look like. Okay, images and videos can now be played simultaneously. I think this one is a video, so let's just select images instead. Now play. Then let's download the content. Of course, you're gonna have to be connected to the internet to download the content. Okay, and here's the first image. And if you want to put it on your screensaver, select press OK button, and then select set as always ready. Okay. Or we can also navigate to other pictures and select them as always ready instead. Then if you tap the down arrow icon, you will also be able to change the view type, the transition speed, the background music, add some of them to favorites, or change the power off timer. Okay, let's go back. We can also play videos here. Videos are pretty cool too. Those are pretty much the artwork videos. So let me, for example, play this one. We can also add it to our always ready menu, so to our screensaver. Now you can change background music here, but you're gonna have to have the external music device connected to your TV to do that. Let's go back to the gallery. And besides, you can also you can also set the music as your for your background. Once again, you're gonna have to have some external device to do so. Then the photos, if you want to put your own photos in the background, so select connect to Google Photos. If you want to add your own photos to the gallery, or you can also use the ThinQ application on your mobile device, and if you used it to set up your TV, then all you have to do is scan the QR code you see on the screen with your smartphone, then open the app. And after that, select the always ready feature, which you can find right here at the bottom of this menu. Now select use my photos and select the photos that you want to use. Then tap done. Okay, we're gonna have to select at least 10 photos, it says. So let's do so. Okay, 2 more. And tap done. Now let's prepare our selected photos, and as you can see, we can easily send pictures to our TV using the applications that we use to we used to set up our TV with. Okay, let's exit the application. Let's reopen it. Let's right now check the photo section right here, and here we have all the photos that we added right now. We can check them and see what they look like on our TV. So it's not quite what you'd expect to have as a screensaver, but that's basically how that's how you can do it. So let's go back. Here we also have briefing feature, and you can also customize it. So you can change the clock view here. And if you want to set your briefing as always ready, just select set always ready as always ready right here. And that's pretty much it. Here we have some free content that we can use as always ready. And below we have some apps that will provide some additional content to our gallery. You can also check them out, and I recommend checking them out. Windows side provides you with the gallery of free artworks, for example. So surely check this one app out. And so that's basically how you use your gallery. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.